Usually when I put bedding in, it's always out of balance, but I think today is going to be quite impressive. Please subscribe to this channel as well. Try and get to 100 subscribers by Christmas. Try and get me to 100 subscribers. So please smash the subscribe and like button, and maybe share if you like to. I always forget to mention share on my videos. Yeah, try and reach 100 subscribers by Christmas, which is about 2 weeks away. I've only got about 47 subscribers so far, so let's try and make it to 100. Nice and balanced today for a spin. I'm impressed with this. But also it's difficult for the spin as well to handle bedding, because it all gets a bit tangled up on the windsers, especially if it's deep windsers. But today is quite impressive. At least I've got good camera quality today. The last few videos have been rubbish. Well, one of them weren't it, because the different, I don't know what happened with the colour, it was a bit greyish. But today I've got the torch on as well, so you can see a lot better with the torch, can't you? And it turns out pretty well as well. And I've only using the torch on the phone as well, which is good on all my videos as well. So I'm not having a specific torch either. I know this is quite strong enough. It's surprising when it spins like this, when it's all like, I don't know what you call it, when it's all just like, you can't see the drum, it makes pretty patterns, doesn't it? The bedding when it moves. Pretty cool that. It's pretty cool how it hides the drum. You just see the bedding go around. Don't know if you can see. Can you see? My window's a bit dirty today. I need to give it a clean. It's bloody dust.